So good day everyone, I am from BSCD Mathematics 1A. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the transforming radical to exponential form, vice versa. So convert from radical to exponential form. First, create the denominator first and then the numerator. Create the numerator first and then the denominator. Either way, you will have a correct answer. So remember, the denominator of the fractional exponent will become the root of the radical and the numerator will become the power. Create the power first and then the root, or create the root first and then the power. Either way, you will have a correct answer. So convert from radical to exponential form. Remember, the index or root of the radical will become the denominator of the fractional exponent, and the power will become the numerator. So convert from exponential to radical form. So first is 3 raised to 1/2. So to convert it from exponential to radical form, just remember the denominator of the fractional exponent will become the root of the radical, and the numerator will become the power. So the numerator of the exponent is 1, so that the radicand will be 3 to the power of 1. So the result is square root of 3. So B. Another example, 7 raised to 3/4. So create the power first and then the root. So 3, so the numerator is 3, so it will be 7 cubed, and then the denominator is 4. It will become an index, so it will become a fourth root of 7 cubed. So another example, x negative 3/2. Create the root first and then the power. Either way, you will have a correct answer. So it is equal to 1 over x raised to 3/2, or 1 square root of x cubed. So the last example, a squared plus b squared raised to 1/2. So the answer is square root of a squared plus b squared. So convert from radical to exponential form. Remember, the index or root of the radical will become the denominator of the fractional exponent, and then the power will become the numerator. Create the denominator first and then the numerator, or create the numerator first and then the denominator. So notice in the last example that raising a square root to a power of 2 removes the radical. Squaring and square rooting or inverse operations, one and those the other. So example, square root of 6 is equal to square root of 6, so it has an index of 2, so the answer is 6 raised to the power of 1/2. So that's all for this video. Thank you.